Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete items from your Amazon wish list. Whether you're cleaning up old items you're no longer interested in or just organizing your wish list, this process is quick and straightforward. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your wish list and make changes to it. After you've logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a menu option labeled Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear with various account-related choices. From this menu, click on Wishlist. This will take you directly to your saved wish list where all your items are stored. Now that you're viewing your wish list, it's time to remove the items you no longer want. Simply hover your mouse over the specific item you'd like to delete. When you do this, you'll notice a small trash icon appears near that item. This icon is your delete button. Go ahead and click on it. The item will be immediately removed from your wish list without any additional confirmation prompts, so make sure you really want to delete it before clicking. If you have multiple items to remove, just repeat the process for each one. Hover over the next item, click the trash icon, and it's gone. This makes it easy to clean up your entire wish list in just a few moments. And that's it. You've successfully removed unwanted items from your Amazon wish list, keeping it organized and relevant to your current interests. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.